oversize every corner. Come off the white line, and then at the end, remember, we got to bring it over the right, lightly on the brakes, straighten it out for a second, then make the left. Straighten it out for a second, then make the right. And as you go, look up towards the bridge, and then unwind and accelerate. Right there, good. And there's the white cone. Lightly on the throttle, just hold it in the middle. When we pass by this cone here, Greg, don't keep following the road to the right. Make a straight line, left side. There you go. And that'll put you in the right spot for the next one. And then lightly on the throttle. Get it turned a little bit, got to get to your apex. Then start accelerating. Let it come out. Brake at the cone here. Look to the right. Keep looking right. Keep following the road with your eyes. Good. Right. Brake lightly. Look left. Drag the brakes to the left. Left, left, left. Right to the bottom. Turn it. Turn it. Now accelerate. Good. Just make a nice steady arc to the left. Brake straight at the top. To the right and turn it immediately. Bring it out left, drag the brakes, turn it slightly, right down the left side. Perfect. Straight ahead there.
Coming up to turn 3, I can start slow down in turn 1.
Brake. Look. Negative. I don't know how many laps you're doing. Should be 8 laps plus a warm up and a cool down. Light brake.
All I heard was 8. Oh, man, cool down.
No, you're not even close. It should be 8 laps hot, a warm up and a cool down. There's no way you did 8 laps already.